Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Beautiful Motifs. I'm going to use that thank you stamp and the little squiggle. So this is a crumb cake card base. Yeah, remember crumb cake? Yeah, it's still around. That's basic beige, and this is a basic white. Those are the textured note dies. I really like the imprint around the edge that it leaves. However, if you wanted to, you could just cut a triangle. So that paper is called the Beautiful Gallery Designer Series paper. It has a lot of really sort of more muted, picturesque type patterns on the paper. And it looks like sort of like chateau wallpaper on the back side. I love it. Love, 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 love it. So I'm just going to back that with my basic beige. I also wanted to remind you guys, I don't know, I sometimes don't promote, the things that I'm supposed to promote. So during May 6th to 31st, there's a joining offer. I would love for you to join my team. You get, for $135, you get $220 worth of products that we don't dictate. You can choose what you want. You get free shipping and free business supplies and a free paper pumpkin kit. So it's worth it. And there's no effort, like no push to sell or anything. You can buy the kit and then enjoy the discount for as long as you can. And sometimes you just need to offset your crafting budget. All right, so normally I just cut this out, but you guys, that was crooked. And I always, whenever I die cut, one piece of sentiment paper, I'll probably do 2 or 3. So that's what I did. I just went, and I keep them in the stamp cases. So that's a little tip for you. If you're, cutting out something, you can just tuck it in your stamp case, and then you have a second or a third one. So in case you make a foo-foo like I did, that's what you can do. So I'm just going to adhere this lovely little picture over top of my squiggles that I also stamped those in crumb cake. Yes. And it's just a little extra, but this is a super simple card to put together, so you're not going to have to think too much about it. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube, or the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.